English is the most widely spoken language in the world.
Ah,
It serves as a global means of communication. People from different countries use English to understand one another. It is considered the international language of business. Speaking English fluently opens the door to many career opportunities. It helps in international travel and communication. Most airlines and airports use English for announcements. Tourists can easily communicate when they know English. It is the dominant language of the Internet. Over half of the world's websites are in English. Learning to speak English allows access to global knowledge. It is the language of science and technology. Researchers publish their work mostly in English. English is also the primary language of entertainment. Most popular movies, music, and books are in English. Speaking English helps enjoy these without translation. It enhances academic success and learning opportunities. English is used in many schools and universities worldwide. It enables students to study abroad with ease. Scholarships and exchange programs often require English skills. It builds confidence in social and professional situations. Key: speaking English boosts self-esteem and respect. It helps in networking and making global friends. It plays a vital role in diplomacy and international relations. Politicians and diplomats often speak in English. It promotes cultural exchange and understanding. Fluency in English can lead to leadership roles. It is a key to entrepreneurship in the global market. Online learning is mostly conducted in English. It improves access to knowledge from top institutions. English skills increase employability in various fields. Companies prefer candidates who speak English. It helps in customer service and global marketing. English allows better use of social media platforms. Connects people across cultures and continents. Speaking English helps in writing better resumes. It improves communication in interviews and presentations. It is useful in public speaking and debates. English is essential for journalism and mass communication. News agencies around the world use English. It is important in the tourism and hospitality industry. Guides and hotel staff need English to serve tourists. It is the language of air traffic control worldwide. Pilots and air controllers use English to avoid confusion. English helps in understanding global issues and events. It allows access to international literature and media. English-speaking skills are valuable in healthcare settings. Doctors often use English medical terms. It promotes lifelong learning and personal growth. English enables participation in global conferences. It is crucial in scientific discussions and collaborations. English bridges the gap between different cultures. It teaches respect for diversity and different opinions. Speaking English boosts your global mindset. It makes traveling easier and more enjoyable. It opens doors to volunteering opportunities worldwide. English helps in reading instructions and manuals. It is used in many international exams like IELTS and TOEFL. English helps in writing emails and formal letters. It is useful for conducting meetings and negotiations. English is used in software development and coding. It helps in understanding product descriptions and reviews. Speaking English increases chances of promotions. It shows professionalism and global readiness. English allows better participation in online forums. It helps in understanding foreign accents and dialects. English enhances storytelling and creative expression. It improves writing skills for blogs and articles. It helps in academic research and citations. English is important in legal and financial sectors. It is used in multinational corporations and embassies. It is the base of many international standards and documents. Speaking English is a lifelong advantage. It helps adapt to a fast-changing world. It gives access to a vast range of learning resources. It is essential in the age of globalization. English is often the medium of instruction in higher education. It promotes clear thinking and articulation. It sharpens the mind and communication abilities. It allows collaboration in multinational teams. English is used in popular apps and software. It increases independence and problem-solving skills. Speaking English can be fun and rewarding. It brings people closer and promotes unity. It enables effective participation in online courses. It helps in international sports and competitions. English improves understanding of world politics. It is vital in UN and other global bodies. Speaking English makes you more competitive. It prepares you for global challenges. It is the language of innovation and progress. Speaking English is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It empowers individuals to reach their full potential. English is the passport to a better future. The importance of speaking English cannot be overstated.